Surekha Manwar ma'am. Principal of the Noel English High School, Honorable Arpana Dongre ma'am. Principal of the CBSE Board, Honorable Anush Manwar sir. Principal of the Primary School, Honorable Anul Manwar sir. Respected teachers, most valued parents, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in the online science exhibition of Noel School. Dr. Radhakrishnan has said, science has achieved more for the emancipation of masses than the wisdom of sages. It is the only subject which has brought a revolutionary change in our lives since antiquity. So today, we will unveil the innovative creations of our children in this exhibition. Our school has always excelled in developing a scientific, rational thinking in our children, which has led to this exhibition. Importance of science cannot be truly explained in words. Every person has innate curiosity to know things, phenomena of nature, changes around us and changes in environment. And this curiosity can only be quenched by study of science. Who can relieve man from pandemic situation? The answer is miracle of science. And so, to acquaint the students with current pandemic situation and to know their role in disease prevention, we have selected the topics like role of biotechnology in community health and food production, demonstration of the role of traditional knowledge of herbal products for community health, infectious and non-infectious diseases, relationship with positive factors and their sources. You all are invited to go through them and I hope you all will appreciate the work of our children. Lastly, I would like to say, science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it.
Everything is theoretically impossible until it's done.
Galaxy of intellectuals, highly distinguished guests, most devoted teachers, and my blowing buddy. My name is Khushi Nanote.
And myself, Pratiksha Mandve.
We are from 10th Dynamite.
Today, we are going to demonstrate an experiment on the role of traditional knowledge for community health.
In this corona pandemic, it was very difficult for us to survive without vaccine. But the ancient Kadas have really helped us to boost our immunity. So let's take a knowledge of how to make Kada.
So let's start with making our Kada. The first ingredient which would be added is hot water. After adding the water, the next ingredient which would be added is black pepper. As you see, we are done with adding black pepper. Now let's add clove. After adding clove, now let's add the piece of ginger. And last but not the least, we are adding tulsi leaf. After adding all the ingredients, let's grind. After grinding and purifying, our kadha is ready.
From this, I think that you have got the information about how to make Kada and the herbal product. So here, we would like to conclude by saying science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Galaxy of intellectuals, highly obliged teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ruchika Dinesh Maske and
I am Manasvi Rupesh Deshmukh
from 10th Dynamites. Our topic of model is role of biotechnology in improved crops and their production. So first of all, what is biotechnology? The techniques of bringing about improvements in living organisms by artificial genetic changes and by hybridization for the welfare of human beings are together called biotechnology.
Now I am going to explain you about our model. Our first crop is wheat. The improvement of wheat by biotechnological approaches primarily involves introduction of exogenous genes in a heritable manner and secondarily the availability of genes that confer positive traits when genetically transferred into wheat.
Next crop is golden rice. Rice is the staple food for over half of the global population and a major calorie source. A gene synthesizing the vitamin A, beta-carotene, has been introduced in this variety of rice as compared to the normal variety. This variety, which has been developed in 2005, contains 23 times more amount of beta carotene.
Our next crop is Bt cotton. A gene had been isolated from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis and integrated with the gene of cotton. Due to this, the toxin which is fatal for bollworm was produced in leaves and bolls of cotton. If bollworm feeds on leaves, the toxin destroys alimentary canal and the bollworm dies.
Next crop is Bt brinjal. Bt brinjal variety is developed by using the gene isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis. This improved variety of brinjal kills the pest in same way as
So this was the explanation of our model. Thank you very much.
Have you ever wondered how people in the ancient time used to make medicines? Not only in the ancient time but also in the 21st century, most of the medicines are made from bark of trees, are made from herbs. So one of the most famous medicines, which is aspirin, is made from the bark of tree. So it can be said that most of the herbal products have really important place in the overall community health. So let us first see the benefits of herbal products. First benefit of herbal product is herbal cosmetics use organic ingredients which affect the biological functioning of skin positively, which means that they provide skin care. They can stabilize hormones and the metabolism, which means that they provide hormones benefit. The third and the most important thing is that they strengthen the overall immune system, which means that they also provide health care. Now, let us see the various common using herbs which are in every Indian kitchen but have their really important benefits on the overall health. Like for example, ginger, bay leaves, cinnamon, garlic, all of them have so many importance in overall health, ranging from lowering bad cholesterol till helping resist cancer cell, from improving skin till improving memory. They have really important place in overall health. So now let us see the various manufacturing herbal products companies of India. The top herbal brands of India include Himalaya Private Limited, Lotus Herbals, Soulflower, Patanjali and many more. Top Ayurvedic companies of India include Dabur, Himalaya Herbals, Zendu Realty Limited and many more. So these are the various companies which are included in the 21st century. These companies are not only famous in India but also all over the world. Why? Because herbal products are today's demand. Now let's see the various benefits of herbal products have been seen. So it can be said that herbal products play a really important role in overall community health. So it can be said that whether it's your grandma's nuska, whether it's the herbs and spices used in the kitchen, or even the products which are used in companies like herbal products manufactured by companies, all of them have a really positive impact on the overall community health. So I hope the next time you make your checklist, you ensure that you have more herbal products in your checklist. Thank you.